Hello, and welcome to a demonstration of using the ViewMOR technology to mine data from chatter. This demonstration is brought to you by the Collaboration Business Unit at Persistent Systems. ViewMOR is a data search platform developed at Persistent Systems. This technology can be used to search email-structured data, like emails in a corporate environment. The ViewMOR user interface can then help in quickly searching for information that is buried under lots of such email-structured data. The user can search for people, attachments and other message content using a very rich set of filters. Humans find it hard to remember details, but can remember context around the details. The rich filters in ViewMOR harness this fact and allow one to search using this context information. The key feature of ViewMOR is it can help narrow from thousands of data items to a handful of them in a matter of seconds because of the context. In this demonstration we show how the ViewMOR technology can be applied to feeds from the chatter application on Salesforce. This figure shows how ViewMOR can be deployed in a corporate scenario. On the left top is the corporate messaging server. This is the data source for ViewMOR. The ViewMOR server is in the middle. ViewMOR server reads the messaging data from the server and indexes it. For search, ViewMOR exposes the REST API to search this data. Thus the data is indexed. It can be searched using a variety of clients: web browser-based, desktop-based or mobile-based. For the current demo, the corporate messaging server is the chatter application on Salesforce. The client we are using is a browser-based web application. ViewMOR is designed to be run on the cloud. We will see this as the demo progresses. We now log into the ViewMOR application. One needs to have set up their account on ViewMOR before one can log in. This is the first screen of the application. Let us look at the highlights of the information shown here. On the left here are the filters which users can employ to narrow down their searches. The tabs on the top show information in various views: people, domain, messages and so on. On the right-hand side here the message threads are shown in a timeline. All messages are currently indexed and shown here in this view. This view shows when a message thread was started and how the posts have progressed over time. The timeline granularity can be chosen to be days, months or years using the slider below. Let us now look at how we can use all these to navigate to the data we are looking for. Now we will demonstrate how a search can start in a simple fashion and quickly become complex. In this case, we are seeking a document that we are interested in. We first enter a simple keyword. After starting with a simple keyword, we selected the person whom we knew was part of the conversation. Then we picked up a thread in a date range we knew earlier. This narrowed it down to 2 people and 2 attachments. On clicking the attachment, it conveniently opened from the Salesforce website where it is stored. Let us look at another example. In this example we start with a document type. Then we selected the person in the From field. This yielded a set of conversation which could be easily narrowed down to a document that we were looking for. ViewMOR provides a lot of such combinations using which we can narrow down to the data we are looking for very quickly. ViewMOR also allows wildcards to be used in the search fields. As users get familiar with ViewMOR, their time spent in search reduces dramatically, resulting in increased productivity. After conducting a complex search, one can tag the search so that it can be reused later. To do this, one has to click on the Save Context button at the top right-hand side. Any new messages delivered to the inbox will be automatically classified under this tag if they qualify in the search criteria. So this becomes a powerful way of remembering metadata about searches. ViewMOR helps one to navigate the social information content available in data sources like email or instant messages. Here we demonstrated simple search ideas. Using these ideas one can find people, documents and information related to interactions with people that is hidden in one's inbox. One can find the relations and the quality of relations that people have with others based on these electronic conversations. ViewMOR Client is available for mobile phones, enterprise messaging servers and Microsoft Outlook. Thus ViewMOR is a powerful tool that can help enterprises increase their productivity by providing a structured way to access the semi-structured data. This demo and presentation was brought to you by the Collaboration Business Unit at Persistent Systems. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us. Thank you, and goodbye.